Okay, here we are at the June 3rd, Rolling Thunder Chapter 3 Pig Roast and Poker Run. Okay, they've invited us to set up and spend the day running a dyno run competition for them. Okay, this is in the morning before anybody's here. Everybody's just setting up. Okay, right next to the band. I don't think that's going to make them too happy once we get up and operational. Okay, but here we are with Ricky, Chris, and John Jr. And they're setting up. There's John Jr. setting up inside there. And we're on our way. Okay, Rolling Thunder getting underway here. It's about noon on June 3rd. Festivities about to get underway. Okay, our dyno's up and running. We're ready to go. Ready for the first takers today.
That good?
Okay.
Brent,
Smile. Okay, use your bike. First run of the day. Let's go. Okay, here's our Rolling Thunder underway. Dyno in our, looks like we got a self-tail up there now. Customers watching. Flemington Circle Yamaha. And Rolling Thunder Chapter 3 up in Hampton, New Jersey.